So we're just looking at evaluating the right formula, and here's a question that we just completed, and we're going to skip on now and try the next question. So if you want to pause that and go through that, you can. But we're going to skip on there and we're going to do question. And there we go. Okay. So we're doing the same thing again. We're using the same formula again. So we're using the formula which is C is equal to 180 plus 180R plus 2000. So we'll fill that in. C is equal to 180R plus 2000. Now have a read of the question. A water tank has a capacity of 3,800. C is the litres, which represents the capacity. So for the capacity, I can put in 3,800. So we fill in what we know. So 3,800 is equal to, work out the greatest number of rooms it could supply. So I want to work out the greatest number of rooms. So if I'm looking for the number of rooms, R represents the number of rooms. So I've got 180. R is the number of rooms, which I don't know, I'm trying to find, plus 2,000. Okay. So they want us to work out the greatest number of rooms. So this is the size of the tank, and they want us to work out the greatest number of rooms. So obviously the number of rooms is the unknown. So they want us to find out what that unknown is. It's most likely this will be a decimal, and if it's a decimal, we'll have to round it off. So let's have a look and see. In order to solve this equation, I have numbers, unknowns, and numbers. So what I need to do is I need to get all my numbers to one side. So I'm going to take this positive 2,000 and I'm going to bring it across so it comes over here. And then I'll be left with 3,800 minus 2,000 is equal to 180 R. Okay. So let's work out what that is. That's going to be 1,800 equals 180 R. So it looks like we're not aiming towards a decimal, which is funny, I thought we would be. So in order to get R by itself, the number of rooms will be equal to, you need to see what we did here, and what we did here was we divided the right hand side by 180. So in order to keep our equation equivalent, I need to divide the left hand side by 180. So 1,800 divided by 180, and the number of rooms will be equal to 10. So R will be equal to 10. So my answer there will be 10 rooms. Okay. So that leaves us with the homework, and the homework is question 15 and 16, and you can see them there on the screen. And you'll find all this at, if you type into YouTube, Aim and Nicholas, it will pop up. So if you type in Aim and Nicholas or Mr. Nicholas Maths, it will pop up and you'll be able to see the video along with the questions there for homework.